Oh shit! I cannot see. Oh yeah, I can see the river. Ah, but it's like if I like if I was a student, I cannot notice where is. I cannot recognize where is blah like that. Oh, looks a little bit scaly la. Looks like a little bit scaly la. There, river, like a river, like a river, like a river, like a river. Ah, I have to buy something. Actually, my plan is buying some Levain cookie. Levain cookie for your Levain cookie is New York thing. Because I wanna see the night view of the riverside. I wanna see the riverside night view. Okay, Levain cookie is a New York thing? Is it or not? Is it right or not? Levain cookie. Nobody know? Nobody know? Yeah, so because if Levain cookie is not New York thing, I have to search the other thing for buying that. Ah, is it New York thing? Okay. Okie dokie, yeah, is that true? Yes. Levain. 25! Yeah? 25-minute walking? Oh. Shit, I think I had to buy before. Jesus Christ, they will close. Oh, maybe the other Levain cookie. Hohoya. Hohoya. Let's think about it. Ooh. It's park. Take taxi? Uber? Oh, maybe it's a good idea, maybe. Ah, but I'm not sure about the traffic. Cinnamon brioche? Okay. Thank you so much for the recommendation. Haha. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, so cloudy. Wow. What the? Oh shit. Look at it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Looks fucking dangerous la. Today weather is so cloudy. Yeah. Maybe there, New Jersey. I'm not sure, but maybe New Jersey. It's feeling like a Han River in Korea. It's definitely feeling like a Han River. It's really same. Like this road is also same. The river is same. Road is the same. This park is also, they have Han River Park, like Riverside Park. Hello, people. I'm good. Good. New Jersey in jail. Actually, I wanna see the. Oh, baby, if I wanna see the rear river view, I have to go down there. Have to go down there, shit. If I really wanna go to see Riverview, I have to go down there. But what the fuck? How? Is it weird road? Or just... Ah, I didn't imagine about this tree. Too many trees. Thank you, Scam Bastel. Thank you so much for the 100. Thank you. Ah, New Jersey. Ah, there's Koreatown. Transport. Under the highway? It's not a good idea. Where in New Zealand I live in? Auckland. I live in Auckland. Oh, I really want to see. Oh, this view. Oh, beautiful, beautiful girl. Ah, today weather. Too many. Guys, not. Today weather is so cloud because that is why it looks like a little bit blurred. Not because of my camera quality. Just